We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 5. Triangle curves and its dimensions are shown. Which measurements in centimeters represent the dimensions of a triangle that is similar to triangle curves? Side skew is 6 centimeters long, while side SR is 12 centimeters, which is double side skew. Side QR is 15 centimeters long, which is 2.5 times of side skew. Option A is eliminated because 14 centimeters is not double of 8 centimeters. Option B is correct since 20 centimeters are double of 10 centimeters and 25 centimeters are 2.5 times of 10 centimeters. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which equation is true when x equals 4? Substitute x equals 4 to option F. The answer is not matched, hence A is eliminated. Same method to option G, the result is correct. Therefore, G is the correct answer. Question number 7. The dimensions of a rectangular pyramid are shown in the diagram. What is the volume of the rectangular pyramid in cubic millimeters? Volume of a rectangular pyramid equals 1/3 times base times height. The base is the area of the base, which equals 4 times 5 equals 20 square millimeters. So the volume equals 1/3 times 20 times 6 equals 40 cubic millimeters. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 8. Imani compared the number of fluid ounces per bottle of sunscreen to the cost of 4 different brands of sunscreen. Based on the data in the table, which brand of sunscreen has the greatest cost per fluid ounce? To calculate the cost per fluid ounce, divide the cost by the number of fluid ounces per bottle. Brand X has the greatest cost per fluid ounce. Therefore, G is the correct answer.